Hello there. Welcome to the Math Ed channel, where we talk things about math education. Particularly, we'll be focusing on three aspects of mathematics education, as where our expertise is situated. One of them being discussion-based and Harkness approach to learning, which this video will be focusing a little bit more on, just to do a bit of an introduction. Our second direction is contemplative practices in mathematics education, and what lies within that scope of area of research and interest. And the last but not least is the instructional cycle, with working with teachers in the professional development type setting of observations and just growing and learning and getting better at it. What I'd like to mention today and talk about today is the Harkness approach, or discussion-based approach in teaching and learning mathematics. Obviously, it's not just about doing that in mathematics environment, but it is applicable to all the other subjects out there. But our focus is in the mathematics education. So people might ask, well, how does that work? What does it look like? And that's precisely what I would like to talk a little bit about today, just to give a bit of an introduction to the idea of what that may look like. And so in the slide that we're going to take a look at now, you see two models being portrayed. One is the traditional model, which is right over here, and then there's the Harkness or discussion-based model, which is over here. And of course, there's some noticeable differences in terms of just how the learners and the teacher are oriented, and the arrows indicate the utterances, or when the teacher is addressing students or students addressing teacher. You can see it's a little bit one-directional in the traditional model, but when you compare it to the Harkness model or the discussion-based model, obviously the students are seated around an oval table with the teachers seated with the students, which already creates an interesting dynamic change from the traditional environment. And I welcome you to maybe start thinking about this, and if you are interested in learning more about it, please don't hesitate to contact us, and we'll be able to answer your questions, hopefully, with some expertise there. Anyway, that's the scope of what this video is about. Just to give a bit of an introduction to the Harkness approach, you can see that it has various applications, and there's various questions that this could bring up in terms of how does the classroom work, how does delivery material work, what are all these other aspects, which we'll be exploring in future videos. And again, if there's curiosity that's already brewing as soon as you saw that, please don't hesitate to give us a shout, and we'll be able to get to your questions. Anyway, have a great day wherever you are, or maybe it's evening that you are watching this, and then have a good night's sleep, I suppose. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.